Hi, everybody. I'm John Barrett, Executive Director of ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Trade Association. And if you were to notice that in 2023, we spent a good deal of time celebrating our 100-year anniversary, well, you wouldn't be wrong. And who could blame us, of course? But we want you to know that we have our eyes firmly focused on the future, which is why I'm here to announce our 2024 Emerging Leaders Awards. ISSA is on the lookout for exceptional individuals that are going to shape our industry's future. We're searching for the best of the best, someone with fresh perspectives and outstanding leadership potential. So, do you have dynamic visionaries in your organization dedicated to innovation and advancing the next phase of the worldwide cleaning industry? Maybe that individual is you. ISSA is now accepting nominations from our member organizations for the 2024 Emerging Leader Awards. The program is open to anybody under the age of 40. And while that ship has sailed for me, you can nominate a colleague. You can also nominate yourself. The winners will be notified this fall, will be highlighted across our media channels and recognized at the ISSA show North America 2024, where they will be celebrated in front of the industry elite right on the trade show floor. Folks, the future of our industry is bright. Let's shine a spotlight on our developing stars. I invite you to find out more and submit your nominations today at issa.com/emerging leaders.